Henry from the Energy Corridor has a question about a fireplace fix.
Well, his gas fireplace had to be repaired after Harvey, Tom. Henry writes, it was tiled up like this. Looked real pretty, too.
It's beautiful.
It? Yeah, it did.
It really is
I
nice.
like the detail down the center and stuff. It's a nice-looking job they did. Well, problem is afterward, he says, we realized that there's no insulation behind the tile, and they get cold when the temperature drops. And so now he's wondering, without tearing it out, what can he do? Is there anything they can do, Tom, for...
I don't think you're going to be able to handle this. This is all done. I mean, it has to be done in the process. But what's funny is in Texas, if it gets a little cold, people find these cold spots around their homes. Everybody has them, like in a shower wall or somewhere by a big window that's all drafty. We are so sensitive to this. In the summertime, you won't notice it at all. It'll be fine. But for you to go ahead and tear that out because we're having a couple weekends of really cold weather and you're uncomfortable, let it go. It's a beautiful job. Next time, you learn from your mistakes, and it'll happen differently. You have to be very careful when it comes to insulation around a fireplace because of the fire hazard. It has to be done just right with the right clearances and stuff too. So it's not a matter of just shoving a bunch of stuff in there. You just have to turn the fireplace on when it's cold. It'll heat it up. There you go.
Well, that's got a breakthrough thinking you've come to expect from us at Home Show Radio.
That's what I got.
And there's even more of that. If you got a question, send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Of course, you can see more of our videos over here. And of course, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel.